Plants, the silent guardians of our world, are more than just green foliage that decorates our landscape. They are the very lifeblood of our planet. From the towering trees that whisper ancient tales to the delicate wildflowers that bloom in hidden meadows, plants embody the spirit of nature in its purest form. From the mighty sequoias that stand tall for centuries to the humble dandelions that push through cracks in concrete jungles, plants remind us of the beauty and resilience that lies within us all.
As we stand in awe of the intricate beauty of plants, let us also consider the ways in which we can contribute to their well-being. Simple acts such as planting trees, cultivating a garden, and supporting conservation efforts can make a significant difference in safeguarding the diversity and vitality of plant life on our planet.
As of 2022, based on the statistic made by Statista, the amount of carbon dioxide released from fossil fuel consumption in Malaysia is approximately 272.9 million metric tons, which is quite an alarming rate. Nevertheless, don't press the panic button yet. This plant here constantly swallows carbon dioxide to fulfill its need in photosynthesis. This process not just benefits them, but also provide us with an adequate amount of oxygen. And at the same time, reduces the amount of carbon dioxide, which contributes up to 76% of total greenhouse gas emission. Temperature is a very sensitive parameter. Even a slight change of 1 degree Celsius can lead to several drastic problems. Below the soil here lies the roots of the plant. They are responsible to absorb water and sweat them out through pores through the process called transpiration. This way, air can be effectively cooled from time to time and maintain a suitable moderate earth temperature. But not just that, plants' roots have more to be expected. They function to grip the soil, forming an intact, stable foundation. Their absence can lead to wobbly soil structure and may lose its strength anytime, especially when exposed to heavy downpour, rewinding back the tragedy of Batang Kali landslide on December 2022.
If humanity continues to take nature for granted and turn a blind eye by continuing to do open burning, cutting down the trees for resources, and deforestation, then in a few years, we may not get to witness this beauty anymore. We'll experience a major climate change. It'll get more hotter, the ice caps will melt, global warming will be at its highest, and all because of the lack of trees. Not only we humans will feel the effect, even animals will. They'll lose their habitats and their food source. Imagine your home getting destroyed before your very eyes. This results in animals running loose in cities to find food.
Let us be stewards to this planet, not just its inhabitants. Let us plant, protect, and preserve so that our children and their children may walk these shaded paths, may breathe the fresh air, may marvel at the same wonder. In these hands lies the power to heal, to restore, and ensure that the story of this planet is one of balance, harmony, and enduring beauty. Together, we can make a difference, one act of kindness to nature at a time. May we rise to the challenge for the sake of all that is green, all that is wild, and all that is yet to come. For in the heart of nature, we find the heart of humanity. Go green, save our planet.